Okay, today I'm here to try this KitKat strawberry shortcake, and this I got as a Patreon gift from Critical Eats Japan. So they come individually wrapped. This one actually looks like a package. There's a few different designs, and the Japanese KitKat always have space in the back where you can write a message, because KitKat in Japanese sounds a lot like a phrase kitsukatsu, which is means you will surely win. So it's kind of like a good luck type of thing. So they always give them out as whenever you get a new job or you graduate or something like that, like a congratulatory thing. So it's a 2-bar package. This one has, it's supposed to have, there's some dried strawberries in the white cream layer. This one tastes a little more fancy than the strawberry milk one that I just had. It is, the basic, strawberry taste is kind of the same. I think it's a little more intensified in this one because of the little dried strawberry pieces in the cream layer, or the white chocolate layer on top, around. Yeah, this is a good flavor. And then they make the KitKat packages out of paper now, so it says you can, cut out a square and then fold it into a crane. They don't tell you how, but, if you know how to do it, then you can do that. So you can incorporate any part of the package. Yeah, so this one's a good one too. I like it. So I think I'll give this one an A too. It's got a nice flavor, and it does kind of remind me of strawberry shortcake a little bit. Thank you to Paul for sending this to me. And please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.